What's up, guys? Welcome back, patronas. We are on another recipe this week. We'll be making egg white bites. So today we're just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this quick recipe. You can make these and then have them ready to heat up in the morning, put them in your little containers, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that today. So let's get started. All right, so don't make the same mistake that I made and didn't go buy a carton of egg whites, but so that you can do this at home, basically this is how you would get the egg white part of this egg so that you don't get the yolk. So we're gonna try to avoid getting the yolk in there. So if you want, you can actually mix in also the yolk part of it. I'm making these to share with my husband, and he likes for me to add the yolk. So we're doing 3 egg whites and 3 with the yolk. I am all about shortcuts, so I buy Rotel and I drain it out, and then I'll pour in some of this in the container to whip it up. If you have time to chop, good for you, so you do it. I also will preheat my spinach to put in here in the microwave for a little bit. All right. Next, I'm gonna put in some salt and pepper to your liking, guys. So I just kind of like, you know, do a little flick of the wrist here. My camera guy's laughing at me. And if you like them to be a little bit spicy, you can also add some cayenne pepper in there in addition to your salt and pepper. There we go. And now we're just gonna go ahead and start stirring. All right, guys, so next we just start pouring into our non-stick muffin pan. Try not to fill all the way to the top because they are going to fluff up a little bit. And you can make this with whatever you want. Like you can add chorizo if you want. There's soy rizo also that you can use. Get creative with it, you know? All right, now that we're done filling our cupcake pan, we're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven for 350 to 375, depending on your oven, for about 15 minutes. You can monitor yourself just like a cake. Just stick a little toothpick in there to make sure it's cooked in the middle and everything. And then you can I'll show you what your meal's gonna look like. All right, guys, so I know I showed you guys how to make them with the cupcake pan or muffin pan, whatever you like to call it, but there's actually a actual gadget that'll make those egg white bites for us. So I got this on Amazon. I will link my Amazon store on this video so that you guys can purchase it if you'd like. This thing makes 4 of them. It's about an egg in each one of these containers. It's real simple to use. You fill up one of these little rubber cups with water. You pour the water in here, and then you basically just pour your batter in here. You close it. This light tells you when it's ready, and then they're ready to go. So this is another option in case you don't want to make a whole bunch of them, but because I share with my husband, that is the reason why I make a whole batch of them. But this is perfect for like Mickey in the mornings, something easy to whip up, and it's done quickly. So option B. So our little meal that we will make for breakfast is going to have 3 egg white bites and 2 of these little fully cooked bacon strips that Dawn told me about. The numbers are great. You'll see them here. And you can get this at HEB. If you're not in Texas, I will have to ask Dawn for an alternative because this is the one that she suggested for me. So check them out, try them out. I think you'll like them. Again, because all you're doing is heating up those egg white bites. Put these in the microwave and they're ready to go in the morning. Or your air fryer will probably heat it up pretty fast for about maybe 5 minutes at most. It should be ready to reheat, so you can try that as well. So we're gonna add these and make a meal to it. You could have cut these up as well, sprinkled them inside your batter as well. So remember, get creative with whatever you wanna make with these little egg white bites. Options are like unlimited. All right, guys, so this is a really easy make at night breakfast and then have it in the morning. All you have to do is pack it up in one of your little containers, heat it up, especially since this is microwavable bacon, so it's ready to go. You heat these up. You can even put a little bit of shredded cheese on top if you want. This is my first time having microwave fully cooked bacon. And Dawn, I'm gonna agree with you, not too shabby. So try it out. Again, let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys are enjoying these recipes. Easy to make, easy on the go. Try them out and let me know what you're thinking of them so far. See y'all next week. Bye.